Welcome to day 23 of the 30-day CapCut challenge. Today is all about batch editing, time-saving method that helps you stay consistent and efficient when creating multiple pieces of content. Whether you're prepping a series of reels, tutorials, or promos, batch editing can streamline your workflow. Batch editing will allow you to maintain consistent style across several videos. Save time by reusing assets like intros, fonts, and transitions. And you can stay ahead by scheduling content in batches. So for example, you might edit 5 short tips for your audience all in one session. Or use the same intro and outro and transitions to unify your brand. Or maybe you want to drop in different footage, but keep the same structure to speed things up. So we're going to import multiple clips into the same timeline. Add all the videos that you plan on working on. Arrange them one after the other with spacing for edits. And then you can apply your global elements. Add your intro, outro to each section. Use the same fonts, animations, or filters for consistency. You can duplicate your assets. Copy and paste text overlays, captions, and transitions across different clips. And then you can export your videos individually. Trim and save each section as a separate project or export one, re-edit, and so let's head over to CapCut. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one single video. I'm going to take one of my dash cam videos, and these videos are 5 minutes long, and I'm just going to create a 5 video series, let's say top 5 reasons to work for yourself or start your own business. So that's 5-minute video. So I'm going to just split this video at every 1 minute increment. So split that one. And then the 2-minute mark and so on. Okay, so now we're going to add some text to these videos. So the first one, for the entire series actually, I'm going to use the same heading. So let's add some text. And let's just add default text right here. And we'll just say, welcome to the top 5 to be your own boss. Okay, and then we want to get that formatted to how we like it. Okay, so good enough. Again, we're not going to overthink it. But I want the same heading for all my videos. So I'm just going to copy. And then I'm going to move here and I'm going to paste. And I'm going to move to the beginning of this video and paste. And the same for the rest of the videos. Okay. Next, so now every video is going to be the same. It's all going to start with the same text. Okay, so next we want to add text for reason number 1, 2, etc. So first we'll go to reason number 1. Okay, so I'm just going to say reason number 1 and whatever that example is going to be. And then we're going to pick our color, font, etc. for this one. Okay, so that's good enough. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste to all of the videos, and then we'll just edit each one individually. So I'm copying, and then we're going to paste. This is going to ensure that the font, the placement, the size, the colors, all of that stays uniform. And then we're just going to go back through each text here. and we'll edit it to be the text that we want. So reason 2. Okay, and then I will change this one. Excellent. Now the next piece of text we might want to be just our call to action. So again, I'm going to add default text, and we're just going to go ahead and add our default. And we're just going to say comment. Comment road trip for info. And I'm just going to size that. And again, we want the font that we like. Let's do blue with white, sure. Now before I copy and paste this one, I'm just going to spread these out a little better here. So these are actually 1 minute long. I probably don't want it that long. So I'm just going to space these out a little bit. Lengthen this one. And then copy and paste. And our call to action is going to be the same for every video. And then we can space these out, extend these if we want as well. So however we want to get them for our videos. So just a few last minute touches on each video there. Now I am going to cut these off, so let's just go ahead and do that now. And then how about some music? Sure, let's just add that one in. And we're just going to cut it off here. Okay, now it's all very simple example here, but just an example of what you can do. And now what we're going to do is export the clips individually. So I'm going to click on the first clip. I'm going to right click and go export selected clip. And I'm just going to call this reason 1. Make sure all of that's done. Export that one. And there you go. So you just export each clip, and now we have 5 videos all done and ready to post. So now it's your turn. Let's batch it up. Import 3 or more clips for your content. Use shared elements across all of your videos and edit and export them efficiently. Batch editing isn't just for pros, it's for anyone who wants to save time and stay consistent. Comment below, batch complete, if you use today's system. Tomorrow we're going to explore CapCut's desktop versus mobile, so you can choose the workflow that fits you best. See you tomorrow.